What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing the fastest iPhone 6 repair because I've been looking on the internet and listening to your comments, or looking at your comments and seeing that a lot of people have done it faster than me. So I've gotten better over the years, so I'm going to try it again and try to beat my time. I've got a stopwatch right here. Sorry about the weird angle. I don't have my tripod on me, so that's a mirror over there that you're seeing. So hopefully that's not too trippy on you. Hopefully you didn't take LSD before you watch this, and otherwise you'll be riding Alice in Wonderland number 2. Anyways, I'm going to stop talking now and let's do this dance, dude. Here we go. So I'm going to try to set this up so you can see this. Oh man, let's see. Yeah, there's no way. I'm just going to set this right here and stop it and start it, and here we go. Of course, the home button doesn't click. Come on. Okay, what are we at? Come on, come on. 8. It was like 8:05. Okay, so I matched you guys. Somebody told me in the comments that they did in 8 minutes. We'll just make sure it turns on and works. Oh, actually the home button does click. Nice. So I'll have to take it back. I would have had to take it back apart and redo the home button if it didn't click, but looks like it's okay. Let's wait for this to turn on. We'll test it and call it good. So a little bit over 8 minutes. That's probably the time to beat. There we go. Oops. Look, working. Good to go. Has service. Home button works. There you go. 8:05 or so. Just past 8 minutes. Bam. Getting better over time, baby. That's how you do life. Thanks for watching, guys.